everyone, welcome back. Now I'm going to tell you about dealing with letters or information. So we'll say you need to type information in one cell. Then you need to type inside the same cell, but not in this row. It should go to the next line. So if you press enter, it will go to the next cell. But I want this information within the same cell. So what do? You can press Alt and Enter key. It will bring you to the next line within the same cell. Then you can press Enter. As I had a text wrapping, it came out in this way. Or if I increase the length or the size of the column, now it comes as 2 rows. If I type it like this, it will come as one single line, one paragraph. So as I wanted to break it, I pressed Alt and Enter. So it brought me to the next line. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.